Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Today I have this wonderful old HURD padlock, and this was sent to me by Chiris Capune, and it is a peach that's from Detroit, and I have no idea how old this is, but there are some initials on here. It's A.W. Smith. So I wonder who that was. Anyways, it's a cool padlock, and as you can see how the key comes out of this little bit off to the side there, and it also, the key will turn. It's a little stiff. Gosh, it doesn't want to work. Okay. It's a little stiff getting it in there. It is old. There we go. It turns counterclockwise. And it is so cute. Anyways, I'd like to pick this for y'all and going into my collection. I'm getting some little tags. They should be delivered here pretty quick, and I'm going to start putting tags on all these locks, who they're from. Okay, let's see if we can get this open. Can be a little challenge. Gotta have just the right feel. I put some lube in there, and a lot of black junk is starting to come out. But who cares, huh? Alright. Let's get this guy open. I'm using a 40 thousandths pry bar on here and a Peterson DeForest, and I gotta turn this a little bit more this way so you can see what I'm doing. Maybe bring it in a pad. There we go. Okay, so what I'm doing to pick this lock is I'm going in there and raking my pick back till I fill the first little bump. Now the tension isn't going to be real heavy, but gotta put some on it, a little more so I guess than usual. So I'm just kind of teeter-tottering on them. Got a little teeny click out of that one, and okay, got another click out of him. Everything was kind of springy, so I figured something, I either overset him or I didn't set him enough, so okay, now I'm coming through finding the next little speed bump, I guess you'd call it, and I'm not pushing hard, I'm just kind of pushing on it a little bit, kind of nudging, it's more like it, and I'll go through here, see if I can find another. And you have to be careful, your tension wrench will pop that out, or your pick will pop the tension wrench out. I'm trying to think and pick and talk, and I can't walk and chew gum, so there you go. Okay. Alright, I think I got it. I did. Alright. Anyways, that is such a fun little pick and such a cute little lock, isn't it? It's heavy too. You'd be really surprised how heavy this little guy is. About the size of a Tinker toy. Okay. I'm going to lock it back up. You have to push in and turn. Alright. Whoa. Oh my God. How do you like me now? Anyway, let's make sure it still works. It is pretty tight, and there we go. Beautiful. Works good. Okay guys, thanks for joining me, and all my new subscribers, thank you very much. My old subscribers, thank you very much. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.